Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to present our attendance tracking system. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Jackie. I am a software engineering student from UOW Malaysia KDU.
I'm Rebecca. I'm an AI engineering student in UTM Shah Alam.
My name is Nelson. I'm from APU, a fresh grade in computer science.
My name is Adam. I'm a computer science graduate from Taylor's University.
So each entrance for training centers such as Beyond 4 will need an attendance and registration system for the purpose of attendance, security, and to track and monitor visitors' movement. So for that, we want to suggest attendance tracking system using facial detection and facial recognition as a solution.
So let us discuss about the system architecture. So there are two networks will be used in this system. So the namely facial detection and facial recognition as the subsystem. We are using Pioneer YOLO for the facial detection. So why are we using this? This is because YOLO is fast for real-time processing, and once it detects the face, it will have a bounding box around it. So this is what we call localization. And as for the facial detection training, we are using our own photos as the data set.
For the facial recognition part, we're using VGG Face, which is to transform the facial image using VGG into embeddings. The VGG Face is a feature extractor model that extracts images into embedding vectors. After we extracting the embeddings, we compare the embeddings based on the Euclidean distance, and we take the least distance between based on the embeddings.
So in terms of data storage, we're currently using Firebase real-time database storage, whereby it's a platform provided by Google, where it syncs JSON files instantaneously and simultaneously. So how it's done is that from our program we'll be running, it'll produce two outputs, which is basically the visitor's name as well as their timestamp when they've entered. So once the data has been stored into a JSON file, Firebase has a Google Cloud function where it automatically transfers and pushes this data onto the Firebase server, which is on the web. And then from there, once it's stored on the web, we will populate and tabulate these data onto Google Sheets through API calls as well as functions in the Google Script Editor. So moving on to the demo, we'll begin the demo now. As you'll see, Jackie will then enter the camera. So right now it's doing face detection where it detects face, and once the face is detected, it will then do face recognition whereby it compares the faces between it in the database. And once that's done, it will then be stored onto the real-time database as you can see on the right hand side, and then it will automatically populate into the Google Sheets below here. Moving on to the conclusion and the future enhancements.
Okay, as for the conclusion, we need more data to increase the accuracy for both facial detection and facial recognition, and more cameras will be implemented in these locations to generate insight. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.